Hello everyone, myself Ambesh Kumar, your guide, coach, mentor, and I am sure that in my previous lecture you were able to understand what is exactly digital media or what is exactly digital marketing. What are the SEO update and why search engine is very important part in the digital marketing? What are the social media platforms? Now, in this session, I want to explain you some terminology that is used in the digital marketing in future. Because if I skip this session, then whenever I use some term, then you will ask to either yourself or you will search over the search engine that what is the purpose and what is the meaning of this term. So this is just like a glossary, a small brief glossary that can be uh, really useful for you because this is based on the practical. I have not copy pasted from anywhere. Whatever I used till the time in my career, I utilize uh, that I listed here. Only that I listed, not other thing. Like there are some different like website, Google Analytic, search engine, and others. So let's start with the website term. Keywords or key terms or key phrases means whatever you are going to search over the search engine, either it is the keyword or key term or key phrase. What is the difference? Just a basic difference. Suppose website optimization is the keyword. Key term can be how to optimize website, website optimization service, website optimization company. This can be the key term or key phrases. SERP, search engine result page. After searching your query over the search engine, whatever the result display on your screen is actually the search engine result pages. Cache and index. You only hear these terms and I will explain when I start the session or lectures for the SEO. Cache and index. Suppose uh, you meet a person, you detect their face. Okay, you ask their name and that's it. After a few days you find that person before you, you only smile because you know their face. This is actually indexing. You index the person. The same with the search engine. Search engine notice your website, find somewhere link, etc. Cache. You meet a person, you recognize their face, you ask their name, and you start talking. You want to know more about that person. So you're digging the information. Once you digging the information and you satisfied, oh, this can be the right person to become my friend. And this is the person to whom I can call at my home for a dinner or lunch or a tea or coffee. This is actually caching. So this is the small difference between the indexing and caching, and I am sure that you will never forget this very practical definition. Links and backlinks, I already explained you. This is kind of the voting. With the help of this voting, your website can be drop or rank. Now, website, web portal, e-commerce, WordPress site, CMS. What is this? This will be used so many times. Website is a simple website where you get the pages like home, about us, contact us, service, these kind of the. Web portal is like a news portal where you get updated information. You get the job portal. You can see some very uh, prominent information about particular topic. Okay, e-commerce site. I am sure that you are here. So many big companies like Amazon kind. These are the e-commerce site. Now we build website in various technologies that is HTML, PHP, .NET, and in this one of the biggest utilized platform is WordPress, where you can make your website within 2 or 3 days with fully functional, even e-commerce website also. And CMS is the content management system. Means before a few days ago when Web 2.0 were not available, then what we do, we use the FTP, we download the HTML page, we make the changes and upload it. If we create any new page, then we create new page and add its link all over the website, either footer or header. But now with the help of CMS, as we create a new page, automatically it get links at the relevant page. So this is the power of CMS. Domain and website. Just simple the name like .com, .co.uk, something like is domain. But if that domain is having some pages where you can see, you can interact, then it becomes the website. Alt tag and title tag. I'm sure that whenever you are viewing any kind of the website and you bring your mouse over any image, then you some find some tooltip kind of that. That is due to alt tag and title tag. Before a few years, it was surety among the search engine optimizers that Google is not able to understand the text that is available over the image and might be somewhere it is truth. So how we explain to Google that the purpose of this image is, so that time we use the title tag or alt tag. Now meta tag and header tag. If you want a small practical, you just type some keyword on searching any keyword, and then you find there are some listings are coming. First one is in a blue, then black, then again blue. Means the title that is showing in a blue. Let me show you very easily. It is, suppose I search this keyword and I found that this is the URL, this is title, and this is description. So this is play very important role. If I go to any website like I go on this, so here you are seeing that some very prominent place, Sprout block, that is the name of this. Then inside means all network, social platform, social media. So what this is? This is actually the breadcrumb. Means you know the sequence that at present you are at which page and why you are there. So this is called the breadcrumb. Now this tag is actually header tag because this is in H. So I am sure that you are clear about the thoughts of this terminology. Let's bring back to Google. Now, yes, now this is the canonical. It is also very important. So many times you will find that mainly in a news website or an e-commerce website or any kind of the portal, when uh, you sort the content of a particular page with the on the basis of rate, on the basis of size, on the basis something like that, then the content of pages suffered. Means uh, that restructure, and then suddenly you find that URL is also changed. Suppose at the same time, if Google visit the website and detect that URL, then it can be the duplicate content because content is same, only the sequence is changed. So to avoid this kind of the situation, we use a canonical tag that our real page is this. This is just for a. This is just um, come to show on the basis of filtration. Whatever content you are able to visible on a web page is kind of the content. But if someone has copied that content, then it is duplicate content. So this is the basic terminology for the website. Now, second is Google Analytic and Webmaster. Why these two are very important? Because on the basis of report that you collect from these platform can be trusted by your client. Client will ask what is the session. Session means how many time a user come to your pages, your site. Means suppose I am a user, I come 3 times on your website and I seen 10 pages. So user is 1, session is 3, and page view is 10. Bounce rate. Now this is outdated, but yes, it is very important some time before. And even it is important because still the old Google Analytic report is working. Bounce rate means suppose 10% visited my website and out of 10, 8 people left my website, same page, without doing anything. Then the bounce rate is 80%. Landing page, where person land after clicking on any link or any search, is called the landing. After seeing my site so many pages, from which page the person exit is called the exit. Source and medium. Source and medium means from which medium a person visited my website. It is referral, it is search engine, it is direct, it is from the email, so many things. So this is the we have a page where we place a query form. Some people have the query form with some activity like payment. Some people have a query page with some important data. That is the difference between the lead query and goal. If they are paying something, then it is goal conversion. If they given accurate information, this is the lead, or they just fill the form name, email ID, phone number, and some message, then it is called the query. Average session duration, suppose 100 people visited my website, someone visited 2 minutes, someone visited 5 minutes, someone visited for the 0 second, then they take the entire time divided by the number of users is called the session duration. Impression and clicks. My website is loaded 10 times over the search anywhere. Second position, third position, fifth position, and second page also. So this is the impression is 10. And in this 10, only 2 click my website is gain. Then the click is 2 while the impression is 10. Side map is very important because this is the structural data, or we can say the structural representation of the pages from where user can see that how many pages are listed there according to hierarchy. Because so many times menu is so complex that people are not able to understand where to go, but in the site map it is very easy to average CTR and position. Click through rate, this is the part of webmaster. Click through rate and impression is just like similar thing. Means uh, suppose my website is visible 100 times and 80 times it gained the clicks, then my CTR is 80%, and position is where my site is visible. So this is very important terminology that will be utilized in the future. Search engine, I am sure that I explained you the algorithm and its update. It is just like a program that Google change time to time to give the best result. Redirection 301, 302. 301 is the permanent redirection, means the page is not exist now, the new page is there, and there is no future chance to revert. Means redirect is redirect. 302 is the reduction for the temporary purpose, like some data is missing, some problem is there, so we implement 302. 404 error, 503 error, 504 errors. These are the page not found, server error, some kind of the errors that you will learn when I explain you one by one. Crawler or bot, that is actually the software program that search engine use to index and cache the web pages. So the program that cache or index is called the bot, and the activity why which it cache or index is called the crawling. So it is also called the crawler. Cookies, it's really very important because just because of the cookies, you are getting the notification from the various websites because cookies is detecting your search history, what you are searching and why you are searching. So what you want, that's because they are giving you very concrete data. Do follow and no follow, as you very clear about the term that do follow means follow, no follow means not follow. So whatever the links we are placing for the other website can be do follow and no follow. What is the purpose of this? I will explain. Heat map. What behavior a user did on my page means click on which menu, uh, how much time it scrolls up and down, how to go add to cart. This all the activity can be visible with the help of heat map. It's really very important. It's a tool. CSS. So many times we are using images, so many times we uses the header tag, and every time to reduce the size to do something changes, we place a big number of codes, and we know that the same kind of the code can be utilized 100 times. So every time we need to either copy paste that code 100 times or we write in the both the condition, either time is consumed or the page will be heavy. So to avoid this kind of those situation, what we do, we create a CSS file and call the CSS according to the requirement. And as we call the CSS, entire code can be utilized without coding at that particular place. LSI, later semantic index. Suppose you are reading a content and every time a particular term is repeated and repeated without any relevance. So this is the spamming. Google is detecting this spamming on the LSI algorithm. Organic promotion means your site is visible on the search engine result page without any term. Let me show you how you will see some listing or some snippet is there with the term ad. This means this is the paid promotion. And other than this, you find simply these are the without any kind of the other term. So this is the organic search. So this promotion is called the paid promotion and this is the organic promotion. So it is very easy to find. In the paid promotion, Google gives some quality score on the basis of your positioning, your bid, your CTR, your landing page content. So that is called the quality score. ROI and RSS is actually the really simple syndication that is outdated right now. But yes, it is utilized for the biggest brand where you can subscribe their RSS and get the updated information. But as of now, you every time get the notification. So it is not so useful because people are not love to see what is happening there. They are already getting the notification from the important website. So I am sure that you got the very correct information about the terminology. This is also that I explain you in my previous session, and hopefully I will explain you these all the terms whenever the required, like schema and markup, snippet, site link and unit links, source code, web 2.0, XML, B2B, business to business, business to customer, AdWords, AdSense, campaign, etc. These all the terms are really very important, and I will explain you one by one. As might be I take one more introductory lecture, and after that I start search engine optimization process that how to start. So stay tuned with me to learn a lot of things. Have a great day. Thank you.